fast. So hello everybody, my name is Afrin. Today we're going to be zipping the file. Let's start. First, what's the use of zipping the file? The use of zipping the file is, let's say you have 1,000 files, and so Enver, little guy, let's say, says to Enver, "Hey Enver, find file number 997," and that's gonna take so long. So zipping the file, keep the thing in one file, and it's gonna be the easiest thing. So import numpy as np. arr1 equals to np dot array. Okay, 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. We'll do the same thing for arr2. Okay. And then make the file, but np dot save is, so we make the v. Now array dot npz comma arr1 comma arr2 print array dot npz. We don't need to show you the file. Actually, we should show you the file. Now it's uncommon. We'll comment. So you see, arr0 dot npy and arr1. Okay, it's saying 0, but it's saying 1 here because index value. Now load the data. Load equals to np dot load array dot npz. Right? Now, what we're gonna do is print load. What's gonna print what keys? arr1 and arr0 and 1. Okay, that's the keys. We want to print arr1. So we do double quotes, arr0 instead. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So if so, let's putting the load here. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Wait. So okay. I'm saying the earring. Okay. So I figured it out. Okay? It was due to some specific proper naming. So we could have just put here array0 and print our array for array1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't think that works, did the same thing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? If we do it again, because we haven't edited that yet, okay? But if we do, it will print 2, 3. That's how it works. So thank everyone for listening for my zip file. I hope you like it, and bye.